everybody, welcome to my channel. I hope you all are having a great day and doing well. In today's video, I will be working on a long canvas. It is a 12 by 36, and I'm going to be doing a traveling kiss pour. I have been enjoying using longer canvases recently, and so that's why I am going to be using a long canvas today. So I have a really pretty color palette picked out. All my colors are mixed with my pouring medium, which is Liquitex pouring medium, Floetrol and water, and a little bit of golden GAC 800. So my first color that I will be adding to my cup is from Liquitex Basics. It is gold. The second color is from Golden, and that is Payne's Gray. This one is an interference blue from Golden as well. And I've got some teal from DecoArt Dazzling Metallics. This one is from the Fine Touch, and that is Phthalo blue. And then I have some aquamarine from Folk Art. And now I'm just going to continue to fill up my beaker with some more layers of my colors until I'm about 200 milliliters, I think, a little bit over. So now I'm going to switch my cups and fill the second one. And now from this view, you can see how I layer my paints. I pour them down the side. That definitely gives me some more definition. The colors don't get all, kind of muddied together. That's what works for me. So if you're having a little bit of trouble with muddying colors, try pouring them down the side and see if that helps. It definitely helps me when I'm doing especially ring pours and kiss pours. All right, so I am again continuing to fill up the cup. I should be about to the top. Not sure about that one. All right, so I think I'm going to finish. Yeah, I got a little bit left using up the rest of that interference blue. I'm hoping to get a little shimmeriness. I'm not really sure, but all right, here we go. So I'm going to start up in the top corner there, or actually for you guys, it looks like the bottom corner, and start slowly pouring, touching really softly, patient with the pour. These colors are really very pretty, so I'm hoping that they blend nicely together. All right, and being very patient and just trying to make sure that I have enough paint to go across the whole canvas. And what probably is going to happen, as you can see, is I probably am going to have to fill in with, yep, right there, I've got some white there that I am filling in that empty space on both sides. That is going to help the other paint glide and spread more evenly and more smoothly. So I'm going to go ahead and smooth out that white with my spatula. If you guys are looking for a good spatula, this one is one of my favorites. I do have it in my Amazon store, so if you're interested, the link is in my description. All right, so now of course I gotta pop all those air bubbles. No one needs those in their paintings, so I always use a torch, and you can also use a heat gun. I used to use one before, but I used a torch a couple times and really liked that better. So now I am trying to decide which way I want to start to move it. So I'm just going to start stretching it up to the top there. And it's looking really cool. I'm liking how it's got the stretched out design so far. So I'm just going to keep slowly stretching it, and it's looking really cool, at least from my perspective. My husband is telling me to leave the negative space, but I probably won't, because it's just one of those things that I have to kind of get a good look at it first to see, and I just wasn't feeling that white spot right there. So I'm going to definitely stretch it and cover that corner, and hopefully it will look nice when I get done. Oh, and then he'll say, oh, you should have left the negative space. Anyway, I'm going to just stretch it out just a little bit more to kind of get those colors like kind of more even through the middle. So yep, that looks pretty good. I'm quite happy with it so far. And then one more pass with the torch to get any little air bubbles that there may be, get those out of there, and that should be pretty good. All right, so now you guys can get just a little slow-mo over the top and see how pretty those colors look. So far, pretty happy with how it's looking. All right, so now you'll get to see some more wet photos, kind of some slower zooming in there. Oh, that one. I really like the end of that. I think that looks kind of cool. I'm not sure if you guys can tell, but there's some air bubbles. It looks like not air bubbles, but bubbles. I don't know. It's kind of weird. But anyway, here's some bonus footage for you. I just had a small 8x8, and I was just kind of messing around. I think I added a little bit of white pearl into the mix here and just kind of going around in a circle. And let's see, kind of like I started it off with a like a 3-leaf clover, I guess. And I actually did, when I poured the little bit of leftover paint in my beaker, I kind of dirtied it up, and I haven't done a dirty pour in a while, so this was kind of fun for me to do, to get back to you know, something I haven't done in a while. And I'm kind of liking the design so far, so let's see how this works out. I'm just gonna try to cover the canvas first before I go over the edges. I like how it's looking. So let's see here. Yeah, I like that section I pointed out. Looks kind of cool. It's got a cool design. So probably gonna let it go, yep, over the edge here now. And I'm just going to continue doing that till I get this little canvas covered. I like playing around sometimes with leftover paint, and I like to use the smaller 8x8, 6x6s, even the 10x10s are kind of fun just to experiment on and you know, play around if you're just wanting to maybe decompress or, you know, relax a little bit, because this is a very relaxing art form, so I really enjoy doing it for that also. All right, so I think I about got it covered. I'm going to stretch it just back to the middle, maybe just a bit. All right, there we go. So now we're going to get some wet photos for you to see here. And you can see it's got some cool detail right there. That white pearl kind of helped add a little bit of that cell, almost like some lacing little cells in there. So I'm super happy with my color, with the way the colors blended too. All right, guys, so here is the dried result of this long canvas. I think it looks super cool. It looks like it's underwater. Those cells almost look like they are underwater bubbles. So I am really happy with this traveling kiss pour on my long canvas. And I would love to hear what you guys think in the comments below. And if you have a question, don't forget, you can put it in the comments as well. I read all of them and I will get back to you. All right, and if you do like this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Also, if you're not subscribed yet, go ahead and hit that subscribe button and click the bell to get notified when I upload new videos. And if you know someone that might like this video, go ahead and share it with them. If you did like this video, I do have some more awesome videos for you to check out. They are right there on the left. Just give them a click. I hope you guys have a great day, and I will see you in my next video.